throughout the mountains of the Northern Hemisphere. Winter's grip is tightening. Animals must make the most of any last opportunity before conditions drive them to take shelter. By the time it hits the Rockies, it's grown into a megastorm, freezing everything in its path. In the depths of winter, extreme storms rage across Canada and the USA.